What if I told you that I can chat with any API endpoint and extract information from it just like chatting with my friends? Using a tool called n8n, I've built a workflow that lets me use natural human-like language to extract that information. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, let's check this out. In this demo, I'm going to chat with a NetApp storage simulator. I'll show you how it works, and then I'll break down what's happening behind the scenes. Here's my setup. I'm using the Telegram app on my iPhone as the front-end chat. And this is my n8n workflow running in the background. Let's kick things off by hitting execute workflow. My Telegram trigger node is there waiting for a message. First question, list all volumes and sizes in vServer, Dave's Lab, SVM. Now, quick side note, a vServer is like a storage tenant or a context. I'll hit send. I'll let the workflow perform some magic. And after a few seconds, boom, there's the full list of volumes with sizes. Let's try another one. Click on execute workflow. Show me all network interfaces within SVM, Dave's Lab, SVM. Hit send. Waiting a few short seconds. And here's our list. Now one more. Execute workflow again. Show me all CIF shares within SVM, Dave's Lab, SVM. Hit send. And there's my 2 default shares along with my custom file share 1. Now this is just so cool. So what's going on behind the scenes? Here's a quick breakdown. My Telegram bot captures the message, and this gets passed into an openai node running GPT-4.0, the latest model. AI reads the message and, along with some prompting, constructs the NetApp API call. This API call is then passed to the HTTP request node, which sends the API call to the end device. The response is then passed onto the code node. This code node dynamically formats the API response, which is in JSON format. Now that the response is in a human-like readable format, it sends the message right back into my Telegram app. Now, how's that for natural language access to your infrastructure? Who would have thought that this was possible? There's still a few things that I want to improve, like making the responses more detailed or handling follow-up questions. But even now, this can just save so much time. It's worth to note n8n gives you 2 options. You can go the SaaS-based route if you've got allocated budget, or you can run this totally for free locally using Linux or Docker. That's a wrap for now. Let me know in the comments, what are some things that you'd automate if you could talk to your APIs like this? The most liked comments wins.